CJ want to know about qualifications for this. He's got some charges against him and wanted to know, how would he qualify for the Veterans Court program? In other words, is there some sort of a referral status with this?
Well, what you would need to do is your lawyer would need to identify that you have the issue. They would need to have a diagnosis by someone that they have treated with before. They can refer their name to Rhoda Wheeler, the drug court coordinator, and get onto a screening track. And in the screening process, they're going to ask for their medical records. Have you ever been diagnosed with schizophrenia, bipolar? Are you a veteran? Do you have any of this? Now, combining mental health court and Veterans Court because they work the same. And then when you go to sentencing on that case, you don't get a null pros like you do in drug court, but that is a part of your sentencing conditions, but they have more of a tendency to stay out of trouble that way. And I'm hoping that in the future that they will also be able to get a null pros for their charges. So your lawyer needs to advocate for it in the courtroom before the judge, send in a referral to the drug court coordinator, Rhoda Wheeler. You can do that through the email. And you need to make sure that you have their medical history to go to treatment so that they can interview them to make sure that they're fit for mental health court or for Veterans Court. And actually, sometimes we'll have people who are getting screened for drug court, and the treatment provider, they have a tool that they use to assess your mental health. And so sometimes they'll say, well, drug court's not for them. They should be in mental health court. Or we'll have somebody who's a veteran in drug court, and they'll say, well, this is not working for me. Can you transfer me to Veterans Court where the treatment will be different? And it's all run and overseen by Judge Blanchard, who has a huge commitment to our community and to the veterans, the mentally ill, and those addicted to drugs.